students, now we will revise the MCB chapter 2, section C, trains, written by Humayun Kabir, which is a poem. This poem, Trains, is about a little child who is very fond of trains that pass under his window. He is filled with wonder seeing their shape, speed, lights and restlessness, and asks her mother about each train that passes by. The poem is therefore about different kinds of trains and his reaction on seeing them. The boy describes the running trains to his mother as per his perception. In the first stanza, the child sees a train without any windows and doors, which is actually a goods train, and he compares the train with that of an elephant. Just as an elephant is huge, similarly the goods train, moving and covering his journey in a tedious or tired way, moves in a dark shadow. Here the train is being compared to an elephant which is as big as a train. In the second stanza, the child again sees a passenger train, and hence this train has doors and windows, and the light inside the train looks from far as if some shining lamps are passing the way. This train whizzes past and appears as if there is a marriage, and the train moving is a procession which is decorated, beautiful and shining. The wheels of the train make a rhythmic beat of music, and the child compares it with a moving wedding procession which moves in a rhyme. In the third stanza, the child presents the world as sleepy and tired, as it is a hot season and everybody is down with the heat. Even the crow doesn't cry because of the heat, and the dog hangs its tongue outside being thirsty. But even in this scorching hot day, the child's amusement needs no retirement, and he watches the train passing by continuously in that sunny afternoon. In short, during the long summer afternoon, when the boy's mother sleeps and dog sits lazily, the boy watches the trains moving tirelessly on their iron path. The fourth paragraph shows the child's obsession with the train. The child is so obsessed that even he gets up in the night by sometimes hearing the rumbling of the train. He sits up on his bed in the middle in the night, rubs his eyes, looks outside the window amidst the dim light of the moon to find the train moving on the iron roads, which looks like a serpent or snake. Dear students, in the last or final paragraph, the child's sympathy pours in the form of question. He ponders over the fact that where all these trains go after all. After covering all the distances on iron path, crossing mighty streams, and by going past the hills, The destination of these tired trains are still unknown to the child. In short, the boy understands as his mother told him that the trains make their way through hills, they cross bridges, across the rivers and pass through forests and plains, but he fails to understand where they rest after all at the end of their endless journey. So dear students, that's all about this chapter, trains. I hope it will help you in your revision. Thank you and have a nice day.